What else can I do to slow the spread of COVID-19 infection this winter? So the biggest one is making sure you're testing yourself. If you're feeling bad and you think you have COVID, just get the test. You can get free tests at covidtest.gov, and they will ship them to you, so you can keep them on hand. Otherwise, you can go and you can ask your pharmacist if their insurance will cover it. The other one, washing your proper hygiene. That's just like the biggest thing. I think that's what the biggest thing we learned from COVID was learning how to wash our hands, which I know it sounds elementary, but you have to do it for more than just 2 seconds. It's 30 seconds of hand washing, warm water, nice amount of soap.
A lot of times what people need to be kind of conscious about is repeating your test, right? What happens a lot of times is you're not feeling well, you test, it comes up negative, you still feel pretty bad for 3 days, test again. Because what happens a lot of times is you can be exposed to something, but it's not going to show up right away.
I think another one too that I have here is wearing a mask. Yeah, that's still able. You can still able to do that, especially if you're going to be in a crowded place. But if you go to any sporting event, or any other event where there's a lot of people, in a close proximity, wearing your mask is still a smart thing to do. Another thing that a lot of people overlook is just making sure your overall health and immune system is functioning properly. A lot of things go into making sure your immune system is at a high functioning level. Big one is sleep. Sleep is the #1 thing to help your immune system. Getting your healthy amount, 7 to 8 hours a night. I know it can be hard sometimes when we're scrolling on Facebook at 2 in the morning, but we got to put that phone down and get some good sleep. Eating good, healthy foods, and then also making sure you exercise. Exercise leads to good sleep. Good sleep leads to good immunity. So that's really important to make sure you're doing. And then, you can just do your 150 minutes a week of light cardio. That'll help your immune system function so much more.